Did you know that mushrooms can elevate the flavor of beef dishes to a whole new level? Let's find out how. In today's video, you'll learn how to cook a delicious beef and mushroom dish that's simple yet packed with flavor. So if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, let's dive in and start cooking. Let's start by slicing the beef thinly against the grain. To make sure the dish will be packed of flavor, we will marinate it. Add a quarter cup of soy sauce, ground black pepper. Massage the marinade into the beef. Cover and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. While the beef is marinating, let us prep the other ingredients. Cut the white button mushroom thinly. Coarsely cut one whole bulb of garlic. By the way, the list of ingredients is in the description below. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click the like, subscribe and notification bell for more delicious recipes. In a pan, put the marinated beef and cook until all the liquid evaporates. Cover but do not forget to stir occasionally. Once all the liquid evaporates, put the beef on one side of the pan and add in salted butter. Add in the garlic. Once that is aromatic, toss in the mushrooms. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes over low heat. Pour in a tablespoon of soy sauce and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. Finally, season with ground black pepper and salt. The beef is tender and juicy, with a nice crust on the outside. The mushrooms are soft and fragrant, with a rich, earthy flavor that complements the beef perfectly. And the aroma is incredible, with the savory scent of the beef and mushrooms filling the air. It's a truly mouth-watering dish that will have everyone coming back for more. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to check out our other cooking videos. We love sharing our kitchen adventures with you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tasty adventures in the kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking!